Welcome to Knowledge Base. Let us run through this question quickly. We are told that a beam is balanced on a pivot. This is the beam that is balanced on the pivot with a 10 Newton weight 2 meters from the pivot. From this point, at a distance of 2 meters, we have a 10 Newton force that is applied. What force must be applied 4 meters from the pivot to keep it balanced? We know that if the beam is balanced on this pivot and a 10 Newton weight is applied here, to keep it balanced again, because this 10 Newton weight is going to make it unbalanced by making it fall down this way. To keep it balanced again, we need to apply another force on the opposite direction this way. We are told that that force must be applied at a distance of 4 meters from the pivot. We are now told to calculate the force that we apply at the distance of 4 meters. So, at a distance of 4 meters, we want to apply a force F. We don't know the value, so that this beam remains balanced on the pivot. Now, how do we solve this problem? Looking at the system of forces acting, you will agree with me that if we take moment of forces about the pivot, which is the turning point, this force will create a clockwise moment because it will cause this beam to turn in a clockwise direction, which means this 10 Newton force will create an anti-clockwise moment, creating a turn in an anti-clockwise direction. For this beam to be balanced, the clockwise moment must be equal to the anti-clockwise moment. What that means is that for the clockwise moment, the product of the force F times the distance m times the distance 4 will give us the clockwise moment. So we have 4 times F to be 4F for the clockwise moment, and that will be equal to the anti-clockwise moment of 10 times 2. 10 times 2. To obtain F is very simple. We divide both sides by 4. F will be equal to 10 times 2 divided by 4, which is 20 divided by 4. Of course, the answer is 5. So a force of 5 Newton must be applied at the distance of 4 meters to keep this beam balanced once again. Very interesting, straightforward, and simple. If you understood this, then a simple one is here for you to do. Try this. If this force F was applied at 1 meter from the pivot to keep it balanced, what will the value of the new force be? Assuming the force F is now at 1 meters away from the pivot, or the pivot rather, what will be the new value of the force F? When you get the answer, please put it in the comment section and I'll be there waiting for you. Thank you for watching this very interesting video and hope to see you in our next video.